Hello, my name is Koyal and I am from Mumbai. I have completed my graduation from KM Agrawal College, Kalyan. I got to know about LetsUpgrade from my friend. I have completed my Python Essential program from LetsUpgrade. I enroll Python and Django program in full stack. We get 100% live sessions. We get instructors by the industries. We get one-on-one personal mentorship weekly, and we also participate in hackathons, and we complete many much projects and like visitor management, farm management system, QR code generator. I have completed 4 months in a full stack program, and I am very proud to say that I have got placed in TCS as a graduate trainee. So I would like to thank LetsUpgrade, and I am going to complete this program, and if anyone has any interest to join us, you can join. Thank you.